Primetime news this evening. Sworn in, Prime Minister issues charge to new cabinet. Opposition rejects appointment of new Attorney General. And later, COVID positivity rate at all-time high.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the changes to the cabinet? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.